I think she just found one.
But before you can take Doralee home, one person has to approve of it.
I hate seeing her here. If no one takes her home, I'll take her.
How's it going? I need you to give your blessing, okay?
You look super happy.
Oh, yeah.
Approved.
We're gonna give him the paperwork. Take care.
Congratulations.
Oh, I just hung up on Dave.
He's way too big for you to do that.
Congratulations on adopting Doralee. And as a reward for adopting the 100th dog, we have $20,000 in cash for you.
Are you serious?
You have to promise us you will always take care of her.
Right here.
I have one final surprise for the people that helped us get all these dogs adopted. Come on in. As a thank you for letting us use your place, we wanted to make a $100,000 donation.